Namaste. IGVN Dr. Shaima Kadri from Faculty of Physiotherapy and Diagnostics. And today in this video, we are going to talk about potential difference and electricity. So let's begin. What is the electric potential and potential difference? The electric potential is defined as the capability of the charged body to do work. When the body is charged, either electrons are supplied to it or they are removed from it. In both the case, the work is done. This work is stored in the body in the form of electric potential. Thus, the body can do the work by exerting a force of attraction or repulsion on the other charged particles. The capacity of the charged body to do work determines the electrical potential on it. The measure of electrical potential is the work done to charge a body to a column. Example units. Since the work done is measured in joules and charge is Columbus, the unit of electric potential is Joule Columbus. The unit of electric potential is joules per Columbus or volt. Hence, a body is said to have an electrical potential of 1 volt if 1 joule of work is done to charge the body to 1 coulomb. Now, we are going to discuss about the potential difference. So, if you know that what is the potential, you can easily know the difference between these. And the potential difference is denoted with capital V. The electrical potential difference is defined as the amount of work done to carrying a unit charge from one point to another in an electric field. In other words, the potential difference is defined as the difference in the electric potential of the two charged bodies. When a body is charged to a different electric potential as compared to the other charged body, the two bodies are said to a potential difference. Both the bodies are under stress and strain and try to attain minimum potential. The unit of the potential difference is volt. The potential difference is recommended you with the book of Simplified Electrotherapy. Author name is Basant Kumar Nanda. Now, we are going to discuss about electricity. So, what is electricity? What are the types of electricity? Let's begin. There are two types of electricity: static electricity and current electricity. Static electricity is made by rubbing together two or more objects and making friction, while current electricity is the flow of electric charge across an electrical field. Static electricity is static electricity where electrical charge build up on the surface of a material. It is usually caused by rubbing materials together. The result of a build-up of static electricity is that objects may be attracted to each other or may even cause a spark of jump from one to the another. For example, if we rub a balloon on a pool and hold it up to the wall. Before rubbing, like all materials, the balloon and wool sweater have a natural charge. This is because they have an equal number of positive charged subatomic particles. That means they have the equal number of protons. And the negative charge subatomic particles. That means the equal number of electrons. When you rub the balloon with the wool sweater, electrons are transferred from the wool to the rubber because of difference in the attraction of the two materials for electrons. The balloons become negatively charged because it gains electrons from the wool, and the wool becomes positively charged because it loses electrons. So if they lose electrons, they have positive charge. Now, what is the current electricity? So, the current electricity is the rate of flow of electrons. It is produced by moving electrons and it is measured in ampere. Unlike static electricity, current electricity must flow through a conductor, usually copper wire. Current with electricity is just like current when you think of a river. The river flows from one spot to another, and the speed it moves is the speed of the current. With electricity, current is measured of amount of energy transfers over a period of time. That energy is called a flow of electrons. One of the result of current is the heating of the conductor. When an electric stove heat up, it's because of the flow of current. There are different sources of current electricity, including the chemical reactions taking place in a battery. The most common source is the generator. A simple generator produces electricity when a coil of copper turns inside a magnetic field. In a power plant, electromagnets spinning inside many coils of copper wire generate vast quantity of current electricity. There are main kinds of electricity current, which are two types. One is your direct current, that means DC, and another one AC, alternating current. It's easy to remember. Direct current is like the energy you get from a battery. Alternating current is like the plugs in the wall. The biggest difference between the two is that DC is flow of the energy while AC can turn on and off. AC reverses the direction of the electrons. Hope you understand it well. If you have any queries related to these topics, you can ask me in comment section. This video is powered by digital version of 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women University. नमस्ते, खुश रहिए।